Channel. So you guys have literally just seen me cut out all of these pictures for my mood board, and now I'm basically going to sit down and tell you what the pictures mean to me, why I'm sticking them on this mood board. I really didn't think I was going to come on camera today and basically talk to you guys. I thought this was going to just be like a time lapse. When I started to figure out what pictures I wanted on this mood board, I then started to realise that there's a lot of things on here that are not very self-explanatory. So I'm here in my living room, I've still got my pyjamas on, and whilst I'm doing that I'm just going to stick them on my mood board and show you how I'm going to place them. So my first image is this one here, my theory test. Something that I've been putting off for ages. I want to start driving again. I want to start learning how to drive. Last year I did actually have a few lessons. I believe I did about 25 hours to 30 hours, and I just really wasn't in the right mindset. I didn't learn anything, and I don't know, I didn't really want to drive. For me, I drove because everybody was telling me, oh, you need to learn how to drive. So I just thought, you know what, everybody's telling me I need to learn how to drive, so I'm just going to do it. But this year I actually do want to learn. I know that it would be a great benefit to me, and you know, it would give me so many advantages. And along with obviously the theory, I've got the actual driving test. So yeah, that's just the same thing really. I'm not actually sticking these down, I just wanted to say that because I feel like with a mood board, you know, sometimes you can put images and all of them on there and then actually change your mind of how you want them to be laid out. My next image is my YouTube channel, and I actually edited this. So at the moment I'm currently on 360 something subscribers, I believe, and I want to push myself. I feel like this is going to be a very big push, but it's going to make me do it, to get to 700 subscribers by the end of 2021. I'm doing it. My channel is growing pretty fast, so I think I can hit it. It feels like a big jump because it's such a big number, but I honestly think I can do it. My next one is holiday. I just think that I need to treat myself and actually go on a holiday that I want to go on rather than my family taking me on a holiday. I want to actually pay for it, put the hard work in and go on the holiday. That way I'll appreciate it more. This is a picture of somebody and they've literally just got like a bowl of fruit and veg. They actually want to start eating healthy. Like I started it, I was doing so well, and then I don't know what happened. I literally just stopped, and I was doing so well. I was like calorie counting and everything. Yeah, I just ended up not doing it anymore, so I want to get back into my healthy eating again. Voluntary work. This has been on my mind since I've moved away and I've come back to Cornwall. The reason why I want to do voluntary work is because, I don't know, I feel like it's just good to sometimes give back to the world, even if it's just me working at a charity shop. I feel like it's just the right thing to do right now, is just to kind of give back to the world, especially with what's been going on at the moment. Obviously the coronavirus, the NHS has helped us so much. I just think the most I can do really is help. I don't have the funds really to give to anybody, or you know, to put into any organisations that can help, but you know, I have me, so I can help. And if that means voluntary work for a few hours or days or months, I will do it. This is actually very random, but the reason I've got it is because I want to keep track of my credit score, and I want to actually start paying attention, doing things to better my credit score. For a long time I didn't really understand it, and I didn't really see the point in why we've got a credit score. I just didn't really get it. Now as I'm getting older, I'm starting to really understand the importance of having a good credit score, just to kind of remind me to work towards a good credit score. This is a picture of a clock. The reason why I've got a picture of a clock, which is actually very embarrassing for the age I am now, I can't tell the time on a clock. Yeah, I can tell the time on my phone, but I can't tell the time on a clock. I just need to do it. This picture right here, and it's a lady holding some weights and she's in the gym, I believe. This one isn't just because I want to go to the gym or whatever. I'm not a gym girl. I prefer outdoor activities like running, like working out at home. Resemble to start working on my fitness. My next image, it actually says cell phone contract. I used to have a phone contract, but I was never good with money. Me having a phone contract equals it never being paid. I want to actually get a phone contract again and start being a bit more reliable, and obviously these little things like a phone contract will help me to better my credit score. I do want to get a phone contract when I've got decent and regular income coming into my bank. This one, and this is kind of like a treat for myself. It says Reading Festival 2020. Who knows if it's going to be going on? Probably not. I would like to go to a festival, just experience it. Yeah, I feel like that's just such a teenage thing to do. Why haven't I done it yet? I don't know. This is like the dream. I want a BMW in white or black. It's actually a credit card and I got this from Google Image, so the name on it, I don't know who it is or whatever. Once I start working a lot more, I do really want to build up my credit score, and I would like to, you know, do adult things. A palace bedroom in pink. I want to invest money into my room, and I want to actually get good quality furniture and stuff like that, because the last time when I was a bit younger, I never really saw the point in investing in good quality furniture. You know, it was just like whatever your mum gets you kind of thing. But this year I do actually want to make my room a part of me. Picture of my blog, and yeah, this is just to remind me to keep posting my blog and keep motivated. My hairdressing level 2 qualification to get it. I'm going back to college this year. I don't know if I told any of you. A person reading a book. This one is because I used to read at least once a night, like even if it was just a page or two. And I really want to get back into reading again, because I do have so many books. I have my etiquette books, my ballet books, everything, and I do love reading, and it has helped me improve my reading a lot. These are the 2 tattoos I actually want, and I want to fix this tattoo that is on my hand right here. I don't like it. It was done by a bad tattoo artist, so I want to get that fixed. That's basically just to remind me to get it fixed and to get the 2 tattoos I really want. So yeah, that is my mood board. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from down here. Again, I haven't stuck anything on, but yeah, it looks really good. So this is what the mood board looks like so far. I haven't stuck anything down yet, but as you guys can see, it's basically just everything that I've told you today, all placed on the mood board thing. As you guys can see, I've got my quote in the middle, which is my inspiration quote, just to motivate me, but I'm going to put it somewhere where I can see it every single day to just remind me. But yeah, this is pretty much everything and all the images. Try out the law of attraction. This is my first year doing a mood board, and I'm pretty positive and motivated to actually get started and working towards my goals now. So I hope this helps you and motivates you as well. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I make all types of girly fashion, lifestyle content, so please subscribe and have a wonderful girly day.